Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be creating this fun festive look for you guys in honor of the new TEMPTU Rainbow Air. This baby is launching on June 1st on their website. And for the month of June only, instead of the MSRP price of $195, they're going to be selling this bad boy for $150, which is a crazy steal because this is a beautiful, beautiful limited edition, by the way, Air. So definitely check it out. $10 from every sale is going to benefit the Trevor Project. I do talk about that in my outro, so be sure to either fast forward if you don't want to learn how to do this, but you just want to know what the Trevor Project is, or stay tuned, watch this video, and then you can learn about what the Trevor Project is exactly. And yeah, I wanted to do blue because those of you that have been following me on Instagram, you guys saw that just a couple of days ago I got verified. I'm so excited. I've been trying to get verified for so long, and I just woke up and I was verified, and I'm like, how did this happen? I don't know. And I didn't even know myself. My cousin actually texted me and goes, congratulations. I was like, the hell are you talking about? What are these people? Are these people drunk? Like, what are they talking about? I got verified on Instagram. So I'm super excited. I wanted to do a blue look for you guys, but I also wanted to show you guys this bad boy here because it is so beautiful. I got this in about a month ago and I've been dying to film with it. And as soon as they gave me the green light this morning, I was like, oh, I'm filming with this baby. So it's beautiful. It has all the same features as the other Airs do. This one's just a beautiful color. And again, $150 just for the month of June. So definitely be sure to check it out. It'll be available, I'm not sure if I said this part, but it'll be available starting June 1st. And this video will definitely be going up either June 1st or after June 1st. So check it out, por favor. Thank you. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned and I would love to show you how to do that. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And turn on the bell notification so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this video. Also, one more thing I know you guys are going to ask me. This necklace here is the map of Afghanistan, and this one says Sophia. It is spelled wrong in Arabic, but it's okay. Not many people are going to know that it's spelled incorrectly, but thank you, Nominal, for sending these over. I absolutely love them. They do not tarnish, and you can shower with them and swim with them, and they'll be just fine, which is very important for me because I'm not taking all this off every time I shower, okay? And please excuse my henna. It's fading, and my nails are chipped, but that's what you get for washing your hands a lot during coronavirus and being a germaphobe. So before we get started, I just want to prep my skin. Not doing anything fancy. I'm just gonna go in and use my TEMPTU Core 7 serum. This is just to hydrate and prep my skin for airbrush makeup. Just gonna put a couple drops of that and blend it in. Now I'm going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Face Primer. Just gonna take the smallest amount of that. Now we're gonna do the eyes. We just want all of this to soak into our face, which is why I like to prime my face first. To prime my eyes, I'm going with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Fix. This is going to neutralize my eyelids and prime my eyes so that way the eyeshadow does not crease. And we don't really need to set this in place, but out of habit, I like to go in with a little bit of translucent powder and just dust this onto my eyelids to ensure that it's not gonna go anywhere. And of course, I'm gonna go in with my brand new Rainbow Air. Look how beautiful this thing is. The first color I'll be going in with is this pre-filled pod. This is the Air Shadow in the shade Citrine. And I'm just gonna use this to apply to my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Pebble. This is also from the Air Shadow collection. and apply this as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into the TEMPTU High Def colors. This is in the shade Blue, and this is the one I'll be using for my eyes today. And an empty Pro Pod. To be completely transparent with you guys, I've only used these colors on my lids maybe once or twice. And the reason is because it does take a little bit of time to dry, and every time I do my makeup, I'm in a rush. Like even right now I'm filming, but I'm in a rush because it's like my mom's making dinner upstairs and she's here visiting, so I don't want to spend too much time filming. But yeah, so hopefully it works out okay. I'm gonna put that into an empty pod and spray it on my lids. So I'm gonna pull this lid down just slightly and spray the lid. Okay, and dry that. And then I'm gonna use my guard and do the outer crease area, just up until right there. Just like that. Do the same thing for the other eye. And now just use the air to dry it. Now I'm just gonna clean out my empty pod and prep it for a lighter color while this eyeshadow dries. The way we clean our pod, you guys have seen it in some of my other videos. You just pour some of the SB cleaner straight into the pod and you turn it on, back bubble, and spray out into your cup or any cup. Now I'm gonna pour some of my high def color in white into my empty pod. And we're gonna go into the inner corner with this white shade. Just for that nice little pop. The eyeliner I'll be using is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner. This has been my ride or die for the last few weeks. Now for my waterline, I'm going in with the ColourPop Cosmetics Gel Cream Liner in the shade Exit. Now using a little bit of the SB cleaner, I'm just gonna clean underneath my eyes. And the mascara I'll be going in with is the TEMPTU Built to Lash Mascara. The lashes I'll be going in with are by Dwart Beauty. These are in the style Zana. I love these lashes because they're broken up into 3 pieces. So for those of you that have trouble putting on lashes, this is perfect for you. Put the inner corner first. You could do it in whatever order you like. And then the middle piece. If you're someone that struggles with putting on lashes, I highly, highly, highly recommend these lashes. And the outer corner piece. And this is it for the eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my foundation routine. First thing I'll be doing is going in with my Doll 10 TCE Concealer in the shade Light Medium. Just gonna apply this to the areas that I need to conceal and highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer in place with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm gonna go in with my TEMPTU Perfect Canvas Foundation in the shade 2W. Go ahead and uncap it, take out the black plug, and pop it into my Rainbow Air. Just gonna use this guard to cover my eyes so it doesn't get on my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face using the shade 10C Caramel. I really like the bronze look, so I like to take the color from the cheekbones all the way into the temple and forehead area. And then my jawline. Now I'm going in with a custom highlight. I just emptied out an old blush pod and I poured the SB white shimmer and the SB gold shimmer into this pod to have my own custom highlight. And if you really like this color but you don't want to risk ruining your pod, you can go ahead and just get the empty pod and mix the SB shimmer in white and in gold straight into the empty pod. This just saves me time when I'm in a rush. I'm gonna cover my eyeshadow again. And you see how pretty that color is? And take it into this temple area and right above the brow bone. Just like that. Chin, Cupid's bow. Same thing on the other side. And you guys can see how pretty the highlight is. It's my favorite highlight combo in the universe. And for my blush, I'm going in with the Perfect Canvas blush in the shade Pale Pink. I do want it a little more pink than usual. Okay, so I went ahead and I filled in my brows and then I went ahead and contoured my nose because you guys see how I contour my nose in almost every single video. I just use the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer and I just contour my nose with a brush. And now I'll be going in with my lipstick. I always love to use a lip pencil and this is the ColourPop Cosmetics I Love Sarai collaboration in the shade Curvy. For my lipstick, I'll be going in with a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shades Bear With Me and Truffle. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it was as fun for you to watch as it was for me to film. Again, this is out of my comfort zone. You guys know I love to do neutrals, but I've been trying to do more color and especially because of the launch of the Rainbow Air. Again, the MSRP for the Rainbow Air is $195, but for the month of June only, you guys can get it for $150 and $10 from each sale is going to benefit the Trevor Project. The Rainbow Air will be available starting June 1st on TEMPTU's website, so be sure to check it out. The Trevor Project works to save young lives by providing life-saving and life-affirming support through free and confidential suicide prevention and crisis intervention programs via their 24/7 phone lifeline, chat, and text, and through additional community resources and education. So be sure to check them out. I also wanted to do a blue look instead of just a colorful look in honor of my Instagram verification. I just got verified on Instagram and I was so excited about it, and I really wanted to film a blue eyeshadow look, but I wanted to use the Rainbow Air to do so. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I would love to know your thoughts. So please comment down below and of course like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much and I will see you guys next time. Bye.